Hello and welcome everyone to our latest presentation on Covaxin versus Covishield. All the differences will be covered in this particular presentation. So coming first to Covishield, this is the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. This vaccine is a replication deficient chimpanzee adenovector which contains the SARS-CoV-2 structural surface glycoprotein and its gene. A brief description of how it produces immunity. So this is basically adenovirus which has been genetically modified to produce the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2. So once this SARS-CoV-2 spike protein is present, it can produce the antibody response in normal healthy human beings. The phase 3 data of this particular vaccine has been recently published in January 2021, and this shows an efficacy of around 70%. And there were around 75,000 person months of safety follow-up data, which shows 84 events in the COVID vaccine and 91 in the control group. 3 events could be classified as directly related to the vaccine. So overall, we can see that the vaccine is pretty safe. Now coming next to Covaxin. This is the vaccine which has been indigenously produced in India by the Bharat Biotechs, and it's produced in collaboration with ICMR and the National Institute of Virology. Now let's see how this particular vaccine produces immunity. In this particular vaccine, they take a normal COVID-19 virus and they inactivate it by various processes. Once the inactivated virus is produced, it is injected into the person, and this virus, unable to produce an infection, still produces the immune response and the immunity that is needed for a patient. So in this particular vaccine, the data that is available is the phase 1 and the phase 2 data has been published, which show good enough efficacy and good safety profile. The phase 3 data has been approved by the DGCI in November, and this has been already registered and started as a trial in November. Now, WHO in their press release on 13th November have told that they have not yet approved any vaccine, and they will not approve a vaccine until and unless 90% effectiveness is proven. So till now, none of the vaccines have been able to provide that amount of effectiveness. Now, the only thing that we know till now is Covishield has good phase 3 data, and Covaxin till now doesn't have a phase 3 data, but both appear to be safe. But the bigger question that remains is, do these vaccines provide immunity? Because the effectiveness is around 60 to 70%. We still don't know what is the duration of this immunity. The other thing that we don't know is what should be the minimum difference between the two doses that are being given right now. Should it be less or should it be more? How long should it be to give a proper immune response? And the last question is, how long will this immunity last? Since the COVID-19 is still a very new disease, the data regarding it are still limited. We need a longer follow-up. So looking at the current scenario, these two are the most effective vaccines which have available right now. Both appear to be safe. So it is advisable that people who are vulnerable, they should be given this vaccine, and it may help in reducing the spread of the COVID-19 in the population. Thank you for your patience, and check our website for further information.